Hello and welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. Today I'll be sharing with you a breakfast recipe which is very healthy, delicious, high in protein and very easy to prepare. And it's perfect for picky kids who don't like to eat greens. But before we start, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now in a blending jar, take spinach, ginger and green chilies, coriander seeds and cumin seeds, half a cup of water, and we're going to blend this. Now in a bowl, add 1 cup of chickpea flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and the spinach that we blended. We're going to make a batter lump free, so whisk it. Now besan is really high in protein. We're going to add few drops of lemon, it is optional. Now heat a griddle and apply oil and pour the batter. We're going to make medium-sized pancakes. For the topping, I'm going to add chopped onions, but you can add any veggies that you like. Now cook on a medium flame, and once it's cooked, we are going to flip this and cook on the other side. Look how beautiful it looks. The bright green color, it's really appealing. So our pancake is cooked. Wow, look at this. So this is a perfect way to start your day. It is very high in protein. I hope you like this recipe. Check out my more videos on the screen or visit my channel page. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.